Hello friends, today I am making colorful slime cocktail. Let's start with the green one. It's ready. Here you go.
Wow, it looks amazing.
I am craving something sweet. Hello, Sophia.
Hi Olaf, I will make a fun and colorful slime just for you. Let's add purple, green, orange, blue, pink, and red. Next, apple slime. Olaf, do you like oranges?
I love them.
This looks like a rainbow. Let's add some candy to make it even more fun.
Wait, Sophia. I have some magic dust.
Let's sprinkle a little on top.
Magic dust? That sounds exciting. May we have some too?
Here is spoon and enjoy yourself.
Wow, the decoration looks amazing.
The magic dust made it taste even better.
Oh no, Olaf. Pajama cats.
Oh no, I think I took the wrong magic dust.
Olaf, did you take dust from Elsa's magic kitchen? I better call Elsa.
Here I am. Olaf, I have told you so many times to stay away from my magic dust. That could have been dangerous. Don't worry. If we sprinkle a little of this special dust on them, they will turn back to normal.
Thank you, Elsa.
Oh, great! We are back to ourselves.
Oh, great, it worked. Thank you, Elsa. I will take these and make something new for you instead. See you soon, friends.
Oh no, baby, don't cry. Here, have some water. Is that not helping? Let's try some milk instead. Oh dear, baby doesn't want to drink at all. James' face feels warm. Let's check his temperature.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Baby has a fever. We need to see our doctor right away. Come on, little one. Let's get you snug in the kangaroo pouch. Let's fasten the clip. All set. Now, off to the doctor. Hello, doctor. We spoke on the phone earlier. I think the baby might have a cold. Could you check?
Of course. Let's take a look. First, we will check the temperature. (39°). That's a fever. Let's listen to the lungs. The lungs sound clear. No issues there. That's good news. Now, let's check for nasal congestion. And also look inside the mouth. I found the problem. Maybe it's teething.
Teething? I didn't think of that. What should we do, doctor?
Nobody's. I will apply a natural herbal gel to soothe the gums. We just need a small amount and gently massage it in with clean hands. Take this gel home and apply it regularly. Also cool a teething ring in the fridge. It will help soothe baby's gums.
That's great idea.
We also have a fruit strainer pacifier. We can put some of baby's favorite fruit inside like banana.
Perfect. When baby chews on it, the cold fruit will feel nice on their gums.
Now, let's give baby a fever reducer and pain reliever. Okay. Baby, open your mouth. There you go. How does it taste? Baby's mood is already improving.
Thank you so much, Dr. Barbie.
Let's make sure we take everything with us. Teething gel, fruit pacifier, teething ring, medicine. Let's go home and rest.
Get well soon, baby.
Like, share, subscribe. Love you all.